Hello guys, today we're going to be playing some Baker's Valley. I don't know why I said V. Oh, okay, complete. Plus 60, yeah. Okay, so let's go. Ooh, what's this place? Dun, 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 dun. I don't remember. Okay. What? Oh, that's only on Discord. And if you have Discord, I'll accept different requests from you. Okay. So let's go. Let's go outside. Blah, blah, blah. Ninja animations. So, now what do we do? Whoa, oh, he just disappeared. Okay. Let's go. No, can't jump. Go, 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 go. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. And, okay, wait. So I'm just typing in chat that I am recording. Let's go. Okay. Ninja. Oh my gosh. I'm invisible. No, I'm not. Oh! I found the game that I've been wanting to play. Boxing Simulator 2, which is pretty much a remake of Weightlifting Simulator 2. So, and I want to do this. Since I want to do, hey! Recording that. And then we'll just get my auto clicker. Let's change it to 1 millisecond and double. Let's go. Yeah, just cause it's smaller and doesn't mean it's stronger. Cause I rebirthed. Cause I'm at Wait. Is this me? Am I? I am the strongest! No, I'm not strongest anymore. I'm not strongest anymore. Somebody joined. Who is that? Discord? Yes, I want to join a rumble. 6. See? Yeah, double white. Normal white, double white. The only person who can take me is the Master Creep. I think there's Master Creep. Oh, there's Master Creep. Nope, I don't want to leave. Reset. Oof. No. Oh wait, I forgot about this. Bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. I can bunny hop, you know. Yeah, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. Oh! Ah! 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 How in the world? How? Okay. I gotta protect myself. That person wasn't dying. I better bunny hop. Bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, Yeah, no, I did bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, I have donuts. And I'm not afraid to use them. Yeah, they're touching you. My donuts are touching you. My donuts. Dude, donut, mess with me. Okay, it's not funny, I know it. So after we swim in this pool, I'm gonna leave the video here. So, let me just swim. Yeah, I'm swimming. Yeah, you know I'm too big to swim. Rah, 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 bah. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Yeah. Oh, that person's huge, except doesn't mean that I'm stronger than me. And I'm stronger than you. Yeah, you wanna fight? You wanna fight? Yeah, I do. You wanna fight? Wanna fight? Whoa! It's gonna top the street. Yo, did you guys see that? Sorry for the ear, but bumping noise. I'm just uncomfortable in my chair. Okay. So we're getting stronger. I'm at 59,000. See, 59,000. If you see where my mouse is, right here, 59,000. Wow, that person just fell apart. What? Okay, this video is 11 minutes long. So after you swim, I was gonna quit the video, but that was gonna be a little after I swam. So I just wanted to make the video a bit longer for you guys. Yeah. So when I get to 60, so when you see me get to 60,000 strength, the video's done. Except if I run out of time, the video's gonna be done before I get it. So, yeah.